Have you ever wondered what it's like to have millions, billions, or even trillions of dollars? The wealth of the world's billionaires is so vast that it's hard to comprehend. To put things in perspective, let's start with $1 million. If you had $1 million, you could buy a mansion, a luxury car, and take an expensive vacation without worrying about money. But what about $100 million? With that kind of money, you could buy multiple mansions, a private jet, and start investing in businesses to make even more money. Now, let's talk about $1 billion. A billion is 1,000 million, which means you could do everything a 100 millionaire could do, but 1,000 times over. You could buy entire companies, invest in real estate, and still have plenty of money left over to live the life of luxury. But what about the world's billionaires? Who are they and how much money do they have? Let's take a look at some examples. First, there's Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX. As of 2021, he's worth over $200 billion, making him the richest person in the world. He's known for his innovative and sometimes controversial ideas, such as colonizing Mars and creating an underground tunnel system for transportation. Then there's Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He's worth over $180 billion and is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in history. He's known for his obsession with customer satisfaction and his goal to make Amazon the most customer-centric company in the world. We also have Warren Buffett, the famous investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He's worth over $100 billion and is known as the Oracle of Omaha for his investing prowess. He's known for his folksy wisdom and down-to-earth personality, despite his massive wealth. These are just a few examples of the world's billionaires, but their wealth is so vast that it's almost unimaginable. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of the ultra-rich and how they got to where they are today. So, buckle up and get ready for a fascinating journey into the world of the ultra-rich. While some people may think that the ultra-rich simply stumbled upon their wealth and success, the reality is that there are often specific strategies and secrets behind their achievements. From networking and investing to taking calculated risks and constantly learning and adapting, there are many factors that can contribute to the accumulation of wealth and the success of the ultra-rich. It's important to note that many ultra-rich individuals have multiple sources of income. Investments, entrepreneurship, and inheritance are just a few examples. It's often not just one big break that makes someone a billionaire, but a combination of successful ventures and smart investments. For example, take Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is one of the richest people in the world with a net worth of over $100 billion. He made his fortune primarily through investing, starting with buying stocks at a young age and later acquiring large stakes in companies like Coca-Cola, American Express, and Wells Fargo. Buffett is known for his long-term approach to investing and his focus on companies with strong competitive advantages and management teams. He also gives back a significant portion of his wealth to philanthropic causes through his foundation. Another example is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and currently the richest person in the world with a net worth of over $170 billion, started his company in 1994 as an online bookstore and expanded it into a vast e-commerce empire that sells everything from books to groceries to cloud computing services. Bezos is known for his relentless focus on customer satisfaction, his willingness to experiment and take risks, and his long-term vision for Amazon's growth. He also owns the Washington Post and Blue Origin, a space exploration company. But it's not just investments and entrepreneurship that make someone ultra-rich. Inheritance can also play a big role. Take the Walton family, who are the heirs of Walmart founder Sam Walton, are among the wealthiest families in the world with a combined net worth of over $200 billion. Sam Walton started Walmart in 1962 with a single store in Arkansas and built it into the world's largest retailer with over 11,000 stores worldwide. The Walton family still owns a majority stake in Walmart and has used their wealth to fund various philanthropic initiatives, including education and environmental conservation. It's also worth noting the importance of networking and connections in building wealth. Many successful individuals have had help along the way, whether it's through mentors, business partners, or even family connections. For example, Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, had help from his brother and business partner, Kimball Musk, when he was starting out. And even before that, Musk had connections in Silicon Valley that helped him get his foot in the door. The ultra-rich not only know how to make money but also how to keep it growing. In this section, we'll discuss some of the strategies that the ultra-rich use to maximize their returns. Asset allocation. One key strategy used by the ultra-rich is asset allocation. This means dividing their wealth among different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and maximize returns. For example, billionaire investor Warren Buffett has diversified his portfolio by investing in various companies across different industries. He also maintains a significant percentage of his wealth in cash to take advantage of any investment opportunities that may arise. Diversification. Another important strategy is diversification, which involves investing in a variety of different assets within each investment category. For example, a real estate investor might diversify by investing in properties across different cities or by purchasing different types of real estate, such as residential or commercial properties. This helps to reduce risk and protect against losses in any one particular investment. Risk management. The ultra-rich also employ risk management strategies to protect their wealth from market downturns and other unforeseen events. One example is hedging, which involves using financial instruments such as options and futures to offset potential losses in other investments. For instance, if an investor holds a large position in a particular stock, they may use options to hedge against a decline in the stock price. Investments and financial instruments. In addition to these strategies, the ultra-rich often favor specific types of investments and financial instruments to maximize their returns. Hedge funds, for example, are private investment funds that are managed by professional portfolio managers and are only available to accredited investors. These funds can invest in a wide range of assets, such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities, and are known for their ability to generate high returns. Private equity is another investment vehicle favored by the ultra-rich, which involves investing in private companies that are not publicly traded. Real estate is also a popular investment among the ultra-rich, who often acquire properties in prime locations and hold on to them for the long term. For example, billionaire investor George Soros has made a fortune by investing in hedge funds and other alternative investments. He also maintains a significant percentage of his wealth in gold, which he sees as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Another example is real estate mogul Sam Zell, who has built a fortune by investing in distressed properties and turning them around for a profit. Networking and connections. Finally, it's worth noting that networking and connections play a crucial role in the ultra-rich's ability to grow and maintain their wealth. This includes not only connections to other wealthy individuals but also to key decision-makers in government and business. For example, the billionaire Koch brothers have used their connections and political influence to advance their business interests and support causes they believe in. In summary, the ultra-rich use a combination of asset allocation, diversification, risk management, and strategic investments to grow and maintain their wealth. They also leverage their connections and networking skills to gain access to new investment opportunities and protect their interests. By understanding these strategies, investors can learn from the ultra-rich and potentially enhance their own financial success. While the ultra-rich have seemingly unlimited resources at their disposal, there is a darker side to their immense wealth. This section will explore some of the unsavory aspects of extreme wealth, including illegal activities, exploitation, and corruption. One of the most common ways that the ultra-rich engage in illegal activities is through tax evasion. Some high net worth individuals go to great lengths to hide their wealth and avoid paying taxes, often by setting up complex offshore accounts and shell companies. Another issue is exploitation, particularly in industries such as fashion and manufacturing, where workers are often paid low wages and subjected to unsafe working conditions. Many ultra-rich individuals are involved in these industries and may turn a blind eye to such practices in order to maintain their profits. In addition, corruption is also prevalent among the ultra-rich. They may use their wealth and influence to bribe government officials, manipulate markets, or engage in other unethical practices to maintain their power and wealth. One infamous example of corruption involves the Malaysian sovereign wealth fund scandal. In 2015, it was discovered that billions of dollars had been stolen from the 1MDB fund, which was set up to support economic development in Malaysia. The scandal involved top government officials, business executives, and even Hollywood celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio, who was forced to return gifts he had received from those involved in the scandal. Another example is the recent college admissions scandal in the United States, where wealthy parents bribed college officials to secure their children's admission to prestigious universities. These examples show that while extreme wealth can provide many opportunities and advantages, it can also lead to corruption and illegal activities. It is important to hold the ultra-rich accountable for their actions and ensure that they are not above the law. In conclusion, the world of the ultra-rich is fascinating, but also comes with its fair share of controversies and ethical dilemmas. While the stories of self-made billionaires inspire us to pursue our dreams, it's important to remember that wealth doesn't always equate to happiness or fulfillment. It's crucial to use our resources for good and make a positive impact in the world. We hope this video has provided insight into the world of the ultra-rich and the strategies they use to grow and maintain their wealth. Remember, it's never too late to start investing and building your own financial security. And most importantly, always stay true to your values and use your wealth to make a difference in the world.